Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Dope, Hot and Fresh Local Sports. On this one, we're still doing a follow-up on Mzinoni Rugby Development.
Yes, coach. Ne? Yes, coach.
Forward umsebenzi wethu cleaner nokushayisa. Then ipeklani yeke lezi umsebenzi wayo. Sikwazi ukuthi ubalance igame. Siyazwana ngithi. Peklani idlale yodwa i4 idlale yodwa. Ngabe ukuthi siyahlasha kanje, angithi. Right. Mama sikhathelele. Siyakwazi ukuposition tomini samabhola. Full back nama wings, siyakhathele siyabisele siyachase. Angithi coach. Then noma sikhethe line out is fine. Siyahamba siyodlala la. Angithi. Asidala badala kithi 22 years. Siyakhathele kuyakithi. But unga chase in front of the kick. Angithi. Right, sing right now to
In this follow-up episode, we chat with Mzinoni Rugby Development Head Coach Andile Nkosi, the man shaping young talent into disciplined, focused and fearless players on the field. Let's hear his perspective on building champions from the ground up.
Sanibonani, igama uAndile Nkosi, a development coach yala eMzinoni.
Yeah, Coach Andile, esifuna ukwazi ukuthi yipi approach oyithathayo mawufuna ukintroduce bese iplayer elisafika elifuna ukudlala irugby. Umuntu uyafika nje ufuna ukudlala irugby umntwana omncane. Yipi approach oyithathayo uqala ama steps okumfundisa?
Right, njengami iplayer nalifika ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kokucala yini le yenze ukuthi afuna ukudlala irugby. Ngabe uyayithanda na ubone ini. Once ngathola lapho kuzoba easy for mina ukuthi ngimfaka efieldini. Nokwenzeka ukuthi ubone TV badlala irugby obona abangani badlala irugby wase uyayithanda. Singaqala ngiyamfaka ukuthi qala la uphasa ibhola lerugby uyagijima run straight wenza kanje until ezabami.
Okay, how ubalancisa kanjani ke lapho ukufundisa lo muntu loyo mhlambe technical skills, team building and also nokuinstalla discipline?
As long as attender kuba easy for mina ukuthi ngibalancise because ngizocheck ukuthi lokho umfundise kona izolo nalowo engimfundise kona namhlanje kuyabalance nawe uyabamba uyaya phambili. If serious umbone ukuthi lo uyayithanda rugby userious uzobona kuzoba nomehluko. Uzombona ukuthi uyapush uyaphambili kuba easy for mina.
Ukuphi engathi ukukhumbula kakhulu ekutheni since ungu-coach ama rewards since ungu-coach yeMzinoni Rugby Development?
Engikhumbula kakhulu it's where ama team ala eMzinoni awina ama trophy masiya ngaphandle babuye nama cup ekhaya. Ilo ngeke ngaze ngakhohlwa. For instance ngo-2017 kunabafana bebamele 18 Nkosi under 15 badlala ama winter games. Bawina la evenda kumasipala, bawina ku district, bawina provincial level, bawina ama summer games baza baya ku national. So kwakuyi team yesikole 18 Nkosi under 15. So beyishisa leyo team leyo. So angeke ngaze ngayikhohlwa. Kumantombazana I remember ngo-2019 2023 kunamantombazana bewadlala ama-10s awina ileague yama-10s season yonke azange aluze negame eyi-1 la mantombazana beyo under 16 bawina ama-10s iseries yama-10s babuye bawina ama-7s ngonyaka oyi-1. So lo angeke ngeze ngakukhohlwa lokho.
Konke ngathi nama-sporting codes or any activities enzakalayo akuhlali kungabi nama-challenges, Coach Andile.
Yeah.
So as a coach in this community eMzinoni, imaphi ama-challenges ohlangabezane nawo and ukhone kanjani ukuthi uwathekele uwafixe ngendlela ethize ekutheni ukwazi ukuthi ushape these young talent and ubenze babe negqozi bahlale bazimisela ukuze ku-training nokuthi bazimisele ku-rugby?
Yeah. Ama-challenge esifacana nawo la amakhulu, one, ama-facility. Asinama playing facilities la sodlalela khona because besine Joburg Park bekuyinkundla isebenzisa iBethel Rugby Club but bayivandalize ngenkathi zabo COVID. So makumele sidlala ama home games asinama facility. Wait, yoma challenges sifacana nawo lawo. So siye sathi madlala ileague sacela ukuthi sithina sicela ukudlala away kuphela because asinama facilities so yindlela esiphuma ngayo ukuthi sidlale away kuphela siya travel njalo because asiwadlala home because asinama facilities so okunye ukuthi ngi-overcome amanye ama-challenges ngiyangahlala nalabo enginabo ucommittee abo Joshua abo Tebuga abo Khetho sibonisana ukuthi la singaphuma kanjani asinama-sponsor basho bathi hayi no asabenza indaweni eso mhlawumbe sekustemule sicela ama-sponsor sibhale incwadi sicele lapho kuma-businessman it's where sithola lo esikutholayo kuncane ingako i-move le development.
So in ensuring inclusivity amongst the young people, because we know in our community bakhona abantwana abanama-background athize poor abanye ability wise in terms of like thola ukuthi umuntu ufola under with disability. How do you make sure ukuthi we are include these kids from different backgrounds?
Yeah, mina naba segroundini babantwana bomuntu oyi-1 sisekhaya sonke so akekho lingana nomunye siyalingana ngasho njalo akekho ohlukile ongcono kunomunye singabantwana bomuntu oyi-1 ibhola li-1 edlala ngalo sigcoka ijezi li-1 sithithana the same so senza sure ukuthi nje wonke umuntu equal sifila at home ileyo nje.
So imaphi ama-qualities owabhekayo in a player umuntu makafika ukuthi okay this player this is the quality engiyibonayo nama-abilities akhe ukuthi lo able ukuthi angaba i-defender lo able ukuthi anga-striker lo able ukuthi angadlala iphi position.
Uma sicala si-stretch si-warm up sidlala lento sidlalayo ba-touch rugby for ukuzilula ubona ngendlela phasa ngayo ukuthi lo he can pass ibhola angadlala i-center noma angadlala i-fly half athathe i-run mhlawumbe agijima umbona i-speed sakhe ubona ukuthi lo angadlala i-wing omunye umbona the way slowly ngakhona but unekrag mhlawumbe shayisana nomunye by mistake but lo you can see ukuthi angaba yi-prop so uyaqala uyampictureish ukuthi lo une-position enje singumine ngimlungise la nala uzathola le position le.
So how do you prepare kanjani ama-players mentally and also physically for ama-competition, let's say you're going for away game and you know ukuthi the team ezobe nibhekane nayo strong kangakanani?
1 hlala phansi ukhulume nabo kuqala uba understandise ukuthi le rugby and sizodlala nabo bani badlala kanje so nathi manje sibe nendlela yethu esihlashisa ukudlala before singene fieldini we talk then singene fieldini siya prepare manje siyayenza little practical kuba easy okay kuzoba nama mistake there and there but siyawafixa then siya move.
We know that past weeks or past months kunama activities enzekile ayi part of achievement for Mzinoni rugby development.
Yes.
Can you please share with us lawa ma-achievements nama activities enzekile? You know ukuthi nihambile next page competition, some of your members abapikiwe kuma rugby tournament by Cape Town. Can you just share a bit?
Right. July bekune National Girls Week. Kunamantombazana wala we under 16 and 18 we were selected ku Pumas ayo representa i-province Joburg for the whole week. So sathola ama results mababuye ukuthi kune play li-1 under 16 libize ku EPD high performance from AC Rugby unoxolo Nqumalo from 18 Nkosi. So therefore October uhambile waya ku-national campaign Cape Town kuleyo camp during the school holidays and then besinosiqiniseko Mhlongo okhethwe ku Pumas Rhino Week squad bekahambile ngoJune aye eVernaging for the first time sineba neplayer odlala iRhino Week imele amaPumas la ePitali la kithi ku development. Therefore July besina 7 yama player 8 aye kuma national school sports kuma winter games eDurban. Siqiniseko was a part yaleyo 8 bebase Durban for a whole week and then baya kuma trials around July bakhethwa futhi sabana 6 yamaphuma players akhethwe ukuthi ayidlala national iqhawe Western Cape. Siqiniseko was the part yaleyo 6 bahambile labafana bay6 bawasimele ku national bahambe nama Pumas under 16 badlala against Griffons yasevelcom badlala ne-Sharks yase-Durban badlala ne-Limpopo Bulls. So babuyile ke labafana ngizwile ukuthi some of them bayabafuna eJoburg ukuthi bayodlala khona kuma big schools. Abanye already bese baqalile batrainer ne-Hospital Secunda kuyathembisa ukuthi bangaya khona. So we're looking forward to see them playing a big rugby labafana because they are promising. So next year I think bazobadlala iGrancom ku under 16 bameli Pumas again if basesele eMpumalanga. So mhlamba abanye bazoba Hospital Secunda abanye base HTS bazohlanganisa bashayana bodwa but babheke ku Pumas maba select futhi bayodlala ku National Week ku Grancom and the way badlala ngakhona ba promise ukuthi ku national makhetha next year under 16 EPD squad high performance bazoba ipart labafana because bavutha amalanga bayashisa labafana for the first time sithole inamba ingaka abafana bayi6 from Libetal bazowe ku national. So kuyathembisa kakhulu.
And the past weekend
besiye ku Vuka final kusho ukuthi i-league Vuka league manye ama project abuya ku SA Rugby wenziwa SA Rugby Legends. Kusho ukuthi per community fanele kube na 4 schools or more ukuze udlale leyo Vuka league. So la sisina 3 years unyaka wesi3 lo udlala iVuka league. Unyaka wokuqala sayiwina eHogenot. Empty Kuvido ewine leyo series la yayodlala nesidla mafa from Kamhlushwa sabashaya ku final. So last year beseMiddelburg sadlala basibize ngeGertsbande sidlale ne Sigerts sadlala neNkangala and Nhlanzini sabashaya. So kule last week besidlala for third time siwina le Vuka. So siwinile umnyaka olandelana kwesi3 iVuka final. So i-trophy sibuye nalo nama medal ekhaya
representing
iPedal yeah.
So yini ofuna ukuyisho to local stakeholders because you mentioned ukuthi kuba khona ama challenges and njengama facilities and also other resources. I know ukuthi kunento ye-scrum anayo into ye-scrum. You mentioned once ukuthi anayo i-scrum nekunento efanele ba-require lento ye-scrum. So yini ofuna ukuyisho kuma stakeholders, local stakeholders?
Yeah, engakusho kuma stakeholders especially abosomabhizinisi ukuthi nabayibona lento esiyenzayo abeze kithi bangenelele. Kokucala beze babone ukuthi ibaleka kangakanani lento esiyenzayo for i-community because mhlamba kusumntwana wakho kodwa umntwana kamakhelwane believe ukuthi umntwana wakho. So sicela ukuthi bangenelele bafaka i-support bafaka isandla laba ngakhona ufaka isandla khona because njengoba ngishilo sinenkinga yama facility asina scrum machine. Mawubheka kuma white schools bawungena kula lensimbi namavili bathi scrum machine sifundisa ku scrum. Asina scrum machine shoda ngamabhola amaningi futhi because baningi ama cone igubhu zamanzi izinto nje ezisimpuli yabona. And bese ngathanda ukuthi mase yodlala ama league njengoba siyodlala league from next year bagcoke bafanana labantwana as a team bonakala ukuthi i-team ebuye emzinoni. Leyo company le mayingasiza mhlawumbe ngeyigiba ngenza umzekelo igama le company noma ilogo ye company izoba khona la kula ma t-shirt to show ku community ukuthi ubani lo obuye le community ubani oplaye back ubani lo faka isandla kule community. Ngaba ama track suit sibale into ezinkulu ngaba ama track suit ngaba makepisi into igwama to show ukuthi i-team le ephilayo ebuye emzinoni iyadlala irugby nathi buye as a team.
So what are your hopes isifiso sakho njengoba uyinikele kangaka kule nto erugby ngalabantwana ubagquma kangaka you've been grooming them for quite some time yini isifiso sakho ngabo?
Right, one isifiso sami ukuthi sibe ne league yethu la local yeyikole ma high school wonke adlale wodwa ama primary adlale wodwa. Ithwe sizobona la siphume ne team strong sithathe lapha nalapha basihlanganise masiyodlala against ama middle schools siyasi ne team strong. Isifiso sami futhi ukuthi ukubabona one kunesifiso hlungwane owathathwa eHogenot sidlala final eHogenot si empty Kuvido i-final age yokuqala kuvuka league amthathe uRoshol Sekunda wadlala ku Roshol Sekunda wathola waselectwa ku Grandcom Pumas under 16 my Port Elizabeth wathola iSpringbok under 16 so manje udlala ku under 18 Craven Week that is the highest level my high school ku rugby so sikundeni namanye ama player ala manje bodlala ku under 15 nala waseza sibawubone ku Grandcom sobona ku Craven Week and then usifisa wachubeke naqeda isikole ayivarsity adlala ivarsity cup that's a big rugby athola contract ayodlala ku Blue Bulls or Pumas adlala iCurrie Cup adlala professional iloko sikufunayo ukuthi bafunde badlala irugby iloko sikufunayo.
I want us to go back just to make it clear because I think we keep phezulu when you saying njengoba babonile abadlalile bayabafuna mhlambe boma sekunda njengoba babafuna kule ikolo lezi ngeke wohwe nonana babafuna ngifuna ukuthi umenshine usichazele ukuthi njengoba babafuna babathatha babaregister babafake ezikolweni bafunde yini umvuzo waloko ukuthi mhlambe bababhadalela or babafundisa or in
right now ukumvuzo ke uma babathatha la esikolweni empty Kuvayido ayofunda iRoshol Sekunda akabhadala school fees akathenga textbook akenzi next yena kwakhe ukufunda ukudlala irugby yiwumvuzo loyo
meaning when you laying a foundation for biggest opportunity ever if umntwana adlala la azimisele usho ukuthi uthola opportunity angayofunda mahala afunde ezikoleni njengabo
Sekunda and nakadlala ku Roshol Sekunda ku spotlight because badlala against the big schools maliga phezulu badlala nabo against abo HTS Metalberg Hoërskool Nelspruit ikole inkulu baku spotlight badlala amakhaba amakhulu bahlala ba live ku super sport schools so opportunities are there ama scouts abakhona lapho so it's easy for them ukuthi nabaceda or before baceda bazobe bafuna kuma varsity bodlala varsity cup njengabo Tekisi University of Pretoria bo UJ bo Stellenbosch bazoba babafuna so easy for them ukuthi manje babone bo Springbok under 19 profile leli from Vuka League Grandcom Craven Week Varsity Cup manje professional it's easy for them ukuthi baphakame so ingako sithi ingako kubalekile ukuthi imele abadlali bayimisele bazokwazi ukufika la kufike khona kusifiso
so meaning this development already has made his mark you made your mark as a development
exactly
grooming the young ones because already you have young ones who've been picked for Springbok from they went to Durban, they went to Cape Town. Every year you have people that are being picked from this development. So what can you say to parents and kids out there who look at rugby and think ngiyodlala just rugby ngiyodlala nje kuphela yini ngifuna ukufocus entweni zami zesikole yini ongakusho kibo so that you build that interest kubazali
engakusho ukuthi abantwana aba interested in playing rugby ngabomfana abantombazana bangasabi we are there to assist them irugby akusi sports sama whites kuphela sports set sonke bangasabi noma abintombazana kunabantwana amantombazana abadlala irugby lakithi noma ngichaza badlala kwenye level to the provincial level basimele ku national abamantombazana so kuiza kukhonzima jaza beze basibone sibafaka egamini and then abazali abadedela abantwana nabafuna ukudlala abantwana isikhathi sabo ukuthi abadlali isikhathi sabo abantwana so fisa isikhathi sokudala maye bantwana fanele badlale as long bafunda badlala irugby ayinamngozi abayithathi lento yithi ayinamngozi sports sona si physical but ke si healthy for abantwana bethu
si physical as build a discipline and also focus and also this is the biggest opportunity. That's the reason why I wanted us to go back on you explaining ukuthi ama opportunities ekutheni njoba ushilo before ukuthi this lokanje I cater for either you poor any disability or ability or nayo but now this development it created that opportunity ukuthi umntana akho mangabe uyimisela ungumntana uzimisela ungavuleleka uphikwe uhambe uyodlala e-walk school mama khaka bhadali next uthola yonke into this is the biggest opportunity
exactly because singabali Roshol Sekunda yodwa unga even far bo Cape Town or Joburg bo big schools bazali mhlambe banebudget yakho unoqeda isikole uyaphi but le mali bangayisave ngetalent lakho umuva kalula ngento oyithandayo just uyafunda easy kuyavuleka amasango umfundo yakho udlala irugby uyaphusha uyodlala mhlawumbe uzobe usiya koliswa kusasa uyabona amathuba akhona although you are black you can play rugby doesn't matter
it's been proven.
Yes,
Siyakolisi is
there captain uwin World Cup twice a lead country twice akukho la ngaziwa khona so nabo laba bethu kupossible ukuthi bangaba kule level leyo
so
ukuzimisela kuphela
what when as a coach nje uzimisela kangaka nokuthi given your time dedicated everything it can focus kule development where do you see this development in 5 years time as Sivala?
In 5 years time ngibona ikude kakhulu development uma singacala ngale league bese kusifule lesiyenza la singabala inamba ukuthi maybe sina 10 yabantwana abase varsity cup sina 5 maybe abana contract ku Blue Bulls or ku Pumas or whatever professional team ekhona South Africa maybe abanye ba overseas possible so we will keep on pushing sizolo nayo sifike la sifuna ukufika khona kancane.
Coach Andile Nkosi continues to drive Mzinoni rugby development with passion and purpose, proving that with the right mindset, every young player can rise to greatness. Stay tuned for more inspiring community stories on Dope, Hot and Fresh local sports.